Hi, everyone! Today, we're bringing you an installation video for Dazuma's double-head ceiling fan with rectangular LED, transparent blades. The accessories include one screw kit for screws and for screw caps, one remote control, one fin accessory kit includes two fan mounts, two fan blades, one dual-head ceiling fan with rectangular LED transparent blades main unit. First, remove the 4 mounting screws from the top of the main unit and set them aside in a safe place. Remove the metal plate securing the top. Then install the fan. First, align the tab in the center of the fan blade with the metal tab. And once you've confirmed the position, simply snap it into place. Then install one of the fan mounts from the fan accessory kit and tighten it by turning it clockwise. Next, install the second fan blade. Install the second fan mount and tighten it. Place the product's metal mounting plate where you intend to install the product. Then mark and drill the holes. Insert the screw set from the screw kit into the holes. Next, align the metal mounting plate with the holes and place it in position, while simultaneously inserting the 4 screws from the screw pack into the screw sleeves. Connect the product's power cord to the push-on quick connect terminals you have provided. Then place the product on top and reinstall the 4 mounting screws from the top of the product that you removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.